This recording aims to show you the other functions available under the Manage Vendors Commissions and Profile segment. Aside from showing you your list of vendors on this page, you can also click on the Reports link to view your trading history with your chosen vendor within your given time frame. Matrices like quantity sold, total net sales, commissions earned, among others, are all displayed at a glance. You can also use the search box to search for a particular order or choose an order by clicking this box. Another option will be to select all line items and hit the Edit Selection button to make changes to the vendor, delete the item, change the commissions, cost of item, payouts, shipping, or marking these items as complete. Remember to hit the Confirm button to save your changes. You can also export this list in CSV format by clicking this button. A shortcut to your vendor settings is conveniently available beside the Edit Selection button. Alternatively, you can also click on this Settings button to view your vendor settings in detail. This allows you to make changes to your vendor's commissions, deductions, profile, payouts, automated payouts, and subscription. To view your vendor's profile, you can click on this login link, and this is where your vendors can view their sales information, check on their payouts, add products, and fulfill orders. Going back to the merchant portal, the last option on the menu is to delete the vendor. May we remind you to proceed in caution as this action is irreversible.